Every year, companies lose millions on unused room nights. Hotel cancellation policies have not evolved with the realities of today's business travel and are frankly archaic. At Hotel Engine, we believe businesses shouldn't lose money because plans change. In 2022, we launched Flex, our signature solution that allows customers to modify or cancel any reservation at any hotel with no blackout dates, no questions asked. This coverage is available on every room on our platform across more than 700,000 hotels around the world. Since our recent launch, we've already saved our customers more than $5 million in unused room nights. More than 55,000 reservations have been covered, adding flexibility and peace of mind that businesses have never had before. But our customers needed another option, a way to get blanket coverage on all their reservations more affordably. And we listened. Today, I'm excited to announce the launch of FlexPro. FlexPro has all the benefits of Flex at a fraction of the cost. For one low rate of $200 a month, you get unlimited flexibility and peace of mind, regardless of how many reservations you make. This is a first in our industry. And just like Flex, you can easily cancel or modify trips directly on our platform. Let me show you how FlexPro works.